What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name's Justin Units and thanks for watching. Today we're going to be in studio shooting a beauty shoot. I'm going to take you through my lighting setups. I've rented a beautiful 100mm macro L series lens that I don't generally shoot on, so that's going to be nice to do because it's apparently very good for beauty. And yeah, so let's get right into the video. Okay, so while we're waiting for her makeup to be done, I'm just going to explain to you my light setup. So we are going to be using this big parabolic, and what I've done, I'm just going to open this up for you. So you can see we've got a reverse bayonet mount, and it's on a telescopic arm which can be moved in and out. So I've moved it on the full out position to give me the broadest, softest light. And then I've put the diffusion over the front to soften the light even further. And I'm using a small white umbrella to fill in any shadows. We'll take some test shots and see how that looks. What's up, guys? I thought I'd just jump in here real quick. We decided to go with a darker background, as you can see, and I think the results are slightly more impactful than the neutral background. Okay, so we're going to do a slightly different look. We're going to change the lighting from what we're currently using to a big softbox and a smaller softbox, just to create a bit more of a lighter, airy feel, because we're doing a very different makeup look. So I thought this would be a good opportunity for us to change the lighting to sort of suit the look a bit more. Okay, so for our last look, we are trying something completely different, brushing some makeup over the model's eye. I've changed the lighting setup to have a backlight and then a soft full light in the front. So let's have a look to see what that looks like.
Okay, so what I realized is that I had actually forgotten to do the sign off. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram @JustinUnits, and we'll see you in the next video.